The representation of the countries in the institution COHO. As mentioned, this institution will be the formal body to monitor the execution of the implementation agendas, and by doing so, replacing the current temporary work group, consisting currently of only Dutch civil servants. Based on Article 9 of the draft, the Board of COHO will consist of 3 persons. Although a procedure is described in mentioned article, which provides for the participation of the countries, takes place based on expertise, social knowledge, and experience. These further stipulates that at least 2 members of the COHO, including the chairman, have an affinity with the Caribbean part of the kingdom, which further demonstrates being expert in the economy of the Caribbean countries and has experience with the culture, society, and politics of the area. Furthermore, in Article 10, it is mentioned that the COHO will take a decision based on the majority. This is an unbalanced situation and creates a lack of representation of the countries in this institution. A more participatory board would be the proposal for the evaluation committee as mentioned in Article 33, namely 5 members, 1 each from Aruba, Curacao, St. Martin, and Netherlands, and jointly selecting the chair, who must have affinity with the Caribbean parts and must have expert knowledge of economy of the Caribbean and experience with the culture, society, and politics of the area. Other observation was answer to Parliament of St. Martin. Based on Article 7, on the request of parliaments, 1 or more members of the COHO will provide the Parliament with an update on their functioning. Obviously, this is not answering to the Parliament as is regulated in our laws. This article needs to be formulated differently for the COHO to really answer to the parliaments of the countries. It is obvious that the implementation agenda is the country's responsibility. Therefore, it is only logical that the institution monitoring the execution should answer to the parliament of the countries.